Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study with me. Today I am here to say few lines on rainy season. The rainy season is the monsoon season which starts in the month of June and lasts till September. Rainy season starts from the southern part of India with the onset of southwest monsoon wind. Rainy season has very pleasant weather with cool breeze and rain showers. Trees and grasses look very green and attractive. Ponds, rivers, streams receive plenty of rainwater during the rainy season. The environment becomes clean and fresh due to rain. Dark clouds and lightning are very common during the rainy season. Rainy season helps farmers by providing rainwater needed for good cultivation of crops. Rainy season gives us different types of fruits, flowers and vegetables from plants and trees. Rainy season is favorite season of kids, young and older people. Children enjoy dancing in the rain and sailing paper boats in rainwater. People love eating pakoras and samosas with warm tea. Rainy season inspires many artists to write beautiful poems, songs and stories. In rainy seasons, we use umbrellas and raincoat to protect us from rain. Excess rainfall brings floods and also damages the crops. Rainy season comes after very hot summers, bringing relief from heat and makes environment cooler and pleasant. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel.